Hi guys, okay, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. I hope everyone is doing well so far. So I hope you guys have liked the previous episode, okay, where we actually fixed, okay, the door speakers and the tweeters as well. Okay, we actually opened up the center speaker cover and we realized there was not even a speaker at all. So today we're going to fit in the center speaker, okay, all the way to the head unit, okay, and we're going to try this out. Okay, so I hope you guys, before we start this, remember to like and subscribe. Okay, we'll have more DIYs coming up. Okay, so we're gonna start. Let's go. So first, okay, you have to remove the speaker cover, the center speaker cover. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, as you can see, it's actually a very easy DIY. Okay, so I hope you guys like this episode. Okay, remember to like and subscribe. Okay, and we'll have more episodes coming soon. Okay, so see you. Okay, stay healthy, stay strong. Bye bye.